As you look down the row, you can see just how low some of these vines are hanging. This is the whole point of running a double line of support through this bay to lift the whole structure up. We're using Ag-Tripost today to do this job. It's really a two-man job, and these steel vine jacks are an essential part of the equipment for getting the vine up above the top of the post. It enables the workers to work beneath it. We're using a rotary hammer drill to put the pins in, which are skewered through the centre of the Ag-Tripost. So the Ag-Tripost is actually sitting on top of the ground. The pins are doing all the holding, or ground holding, beneath the ground. They're positioned in a triangular pattern, and that will provide all the holding support that the post requires to stop it either lifting out of the ground or sinking into the ground. Once it's in its final position, they'll take the jack out and lower the vines back down on top of the ag beam, so the weights come back down on top of the post, and that'll be sitting in there solid. It's not going to move.